Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Jones. Welcome back to my channel and to a new video. I am here with my July kit lineup. I've got 8 lovely kits to show you and I'm just going to get straight into it. We are going to kick off with my mum's birthday kit, and I am using Create from Plannerface. I do PR for Plannerface, so you can use Tilly to save 10%, and I get a discount for promoting her stickers. So this was the February mystery kit and I love this. Like, the representation of like plus size is just great. The cat, just perfect. This is Milk and Berries artwork. I'm using it to represent my mum because she is very crafty and we do lots of crafty bits together. So yeah, so these are the full boxes. I'm not going to go over kit formats, but yeah, this is the kit. This is a mystery kit format in the old format. Sorry, this is February 2023. So this is quite an old format anyway, which is the other reason I'm not going to go over it. Look at that bottom washi, it's just stunning. And then we have a couple of toolboxes. We have alternate skin tones. We've got the glitter add-on, the box add-on, and the mystery add-on with that beautiful, beautiful double box scene there. Obviously this is an older format, so it kind of is what it is. And then I decided to go with holographic foil for my main foil colour. I just thought it went quite nicely. It was just a bit more celebratory, and there is the holo foil. I'm just changing my lighting a little bit to show you this. So this is an old format of foil bundle. So you've got your boxes, like this is how old it is, it's old script style. So that is there. Then I also have the Prosperity doodle sampler because I thought that went quite well. Oops. So we've got foil bundle, and then underlay wise I am going with a mix of this orange shattered glass little flowers because I thought it matched the little flowers there quite well, and then again I just thought this was quite a good little arty pattern. It's the concentric circles from my shop, both are from my shop. This is in red glitter, and I just thought that would be a really nice combination. I'll alternate, so each day we'll have one of each of those. So that is for the first week, the 1st of July, in my main planner, my filming planner that you see on this channel. So all of the kits in the first 4 kits you will see will be in this planner and you'll see me use. So let's go back to normal lighting and go on to the week of the 8th. And for the week of the 8th, we are just going for a summary kit that I thought would just be nice to use. And I think I might have already shown you this because I think I might have had it in my main lineup and then I've swapped things around. But this is Born to Skate, and it is Darcy art. This is the newer Plannerface format. So you've got the double box scene there of the inside of a skate park. Fun fact, there is an indoor skate park in my town. The add-ons I normally get, oh, hang on, we have extra fashion people in alternate skin tones. I apparently got the toolbox add-on. I assume this was included because I don't generally buy a toolbox add-on. Then I have the Born to Skate, that's part of the kit, and then I have pulled in the Boxing Day freebie number 7, which is in this pink. I get the 15mm add-on and the box add-ons. They are the add-ons I normally get. And then with this I have gone with Lavender Holo, and again I should put my lighting back to the other format to show you the hollowness of this. So this is Lavender Holo, so it's quite a pinky lavender holo in Good Vibes, because I think that is just the vibes of the kit. Let's do this properly. Put that there so you can see it. So yeah, you can just see how this kind of matches. This is Caress Press there. So this is the newer Caress Press format with the 2 pages, and that you got your Lavender Holo bougie. So that is there. And then for underlays I am going for a mix of navy slash blue underlays, which is kind of similar to this blue, with pink floral checkerboard overlays, which I just think will be stunning. So let's just show you that. So this is on my old, is it? Yeah, this is my old paper, I think. It might be my newer one. It's definitely not the paper I'm using because there's a lot of overfoiling, but yeah. So just to show you what this will look like. There. Look at that. Go on, focus. Look how cool it looks. Oh, I'm excited so hard for this kit lineup, for this foil pairing. I just think it is going to look stunning all together. Like, just look at that. Oh, is not beautiful? Do you not agree? That is perfection, because I think it is. So that is it for the week of the 8th of July. No real reason I'm using that kit other than it's nice and summery. Moving on to the week of the 15th. So this was exactly a month. This week is exactly a month after I was a year after I was discharged from the psychiatric hospital, having been in hospital for over 2 months. So I am using some like self-care mental health related kits. So I have the Cyber Monday Mystery from Crest Press, which is called Love Yourself, and it has got a mental health sort of vibe / self-care. So yeah, that's why I'm using this. So there's your full boxes, your boxes page, your pattern boxes. I'm pulling in, I'll come back to that, your glitter header and little things. I get like the second biggest kit from Crest Press, your sidebar goodies, more little things, bottom washi, extra girl and skin tone boxes. So she generally doesn't have girls in the first box, so but the only one that is an alternate is there, and so that's there. And then I got the 50mm add-on, and then this is the deco and square boxes page. And then I am pulling in this orange Boxing Day freebie number 8 from Plannerface again to just you know, pull in some more of the colour. And then foil bundle wise, I think we're just going to stay with this because a lot of these are hollow foils. So we have a sparkly hollow / sparkly orange foil bundle here, super cute. So again, this is Crest Press newer format, so you can just, yeah, look at that foil. I just think it's perfect for this kit there. And then you've got, I actually got 3 pages for some reason of the bougie, which I will be using. It is like the same, this is like, it's not just dots, it's the same shapes as are in the foil, so that will be cute. And I'm going to layer those over this, which is the abstract shapes in lilac from my shop. It's a nice like purpley lilac, and I think it matches quite well. It's a bit bluer than the kit, but that's fine, and I just think that will look cute. I like to just show how these things will look on my kit lineups. Whether that's necessary, I don't know, especially when it's just like a normal layering situ, but I'm going to anyway, partly to check they look how I envision they will. So you just get that little bit of orange and hollow over the abstract shapes, just to bring in a bit of both foil colours. So that is the plan for the kit, and as I say, that is exactly a year. This week is exactly a year after I came out of hospital. I was discharged on a Friday. So yeah, that's there. Super cute. And for the last week of July in my main planner, we have a summary kit, because I thought I haven't used any proper full-on summer kits, and we have Sea View from Plannerface again. And this is relatively new kit, and I think again it is Milk and Berry's art, but I'm not sure. I think this is Sadie Piper's art, but again I'm not certain. So these are your full boxes, your little things, your bottom washi, your sidebar goodies, boxes page, ombre heart check boxes, your extra skin tones there, your icons and deco, and then I got the 50mm add-on and the box add-on as I usually do. Because it's like a very yellow and blue kit, I have both the blue and the yellow Boxing Day freebie to pull in icons and stuff from there. And then foil wise, I am mostly using leftovers. So I have the leftovers of this seashells kit in gold from Crest Press. So we've got some full boxes there, and then I've got some confetti Scribble Prints gold boxes. I've got some bougie from various shops. I've got that deco and icon page. I've got one of the bottom washies from the Sea View and one from the confetti, and then I've got another deco and icon page there. Between that makes like a full-on foil bundle. And for the underlays, I am sticking with a so this is the paper that I bought because it had like done really well in practice, and then when it arrived it was really bad. Like you can see, it's both over and under foiled. It's just, yeah, bizarre. So I have not gone with this paper in the end, but I will show you how it goes. But I have the gold with overlaid mermaid scales, because I thought, again, this is like a mix of the gold and the blue, the yellow and the blue. And as you'll see, again, I just think that looks so good. so good. Obviously this is very oops, but I just think with this kit that is just perfection. It's like the gold is bringing in the yellow and the blue. I think that's really cute. I am using a lot of layering of underlays at the moment. It's just like my little, I'm finding my groove with it. So we've got lots of solid underlays this month, which is exciting. But yeah, that is it for my on-camera planner. Then my off-camera planner has a little less reason to it and a little less to show you, but we are going to start off with the week of the 1st, and this is the Tuesday of this week is my mum's birthday, and this is kind of a springy summery birthday kit. So this is a February Mystery Flower Power. It is actually in glossy from Crest Press. I normally would buy premium matte, but I got this in a D-stash. But I love this, and this was actually the kit that made me subscribe to the Crest Press Mystery originally. You can see how old a format it is, so I'm definitely glad this is going in my off-camera planner because I won't need as many bits and pieces. But yeah, that is the kit. Super cute and perfect for like a birthday. And then I just have the Celestial, because I just felt like that kind of pulled in a little bit. I don't know why. Celestial Sparkly Hollow. I think it actually might be a Shattered Hollow, not sure, from Scrubber & Co. But this is again a super old format, so you've still got the normal bougie and the scripty icons, but that's there. So that is my off-camera planner for the 1st. I am going over this much quicker because they are less exciting pairings and stuff. It's just what I felt at the time. If there's a good pairing, I will slow it down a little. But that's for the 1st. Then, and the reason I'm using that is my mum's birthday. Then for the 8th, I just went with a early summer kit to me. So this was the April 2022 mystery from Scrubber & Co. It's like this mermaid theme by Kitnish Jess. And this is an old format of Scrubber Co. It's still got icons in and stuff. I feel like the art is really summery, but the colours are like more spring to me, which is why I've gone here. You've got this extra sand colour, which I won't use because there's not enough of it for me, and lots of extra boxes and stuff, and the 15mm. So yeah, that'll be super cute, I think. I'm staying quite simple with it, and I'm just going with a matte bronze, which I'm going to show you a bit better. Matte bronze there, because I think matte bronze just pulls out the colours of this kit a bit better. So this is again this is a newer Scrubber Co format. So this is shimmer. So you have the patterned bougie and the newer script and icon page, but not the newest one. And then there's the bottom washi there. So yeah, I just think matte bronze. This kit is screaming matte bronze. Might even be what it came with. Don't know. But yeah, that is for the week of the 8th of July. For the week of the 15th of July, we are staying with our like mental healthy theme, and we are using the November mystery, which is Hot Mess PMS. So this is more like period related than mental health, but it does have like mental health hints, so I thought it worked this week. Like I can see this as crying rather than like, yeah. And this is Sadie Piper art. I love this here. Little mood tracker and the teddy, like, yeah, it's cute. So this is November mystery. This is a newer format, I believe, of Crest Press, but maybe not. She has an electric blanket there, heated throw, love it. Lots of chocolate, yeah, emergency chocolate, love it. I actually have emergency snacks in my work bag. I've got the hot water bottle, which isn't so much like mental health, but this curled up in a blanket totally is to me. And then there's a couple of extra boxes there. Everything will be okay, cute. Got 15mm and the deco boxes there. And again, I'm just staying simple with the foil bundle, and I felt like these like colours kind of screamed rose to me, which might not be the most summery thing ever, but I'm going with it. So this is Rose Gold from Plannerface. This is her confetti, and I find her confetti quite hard. Like I find the backing paper doesn't show off the foil very well, but yeah, that's there. So you get 2 pages of that. You get 2 pages of the bougie with lots of little icons up there, and then you get the bottom washi here, which is 2 different styles of confetti. Toolbox add-on, you get icons and date dots and scripts. So that is in rose gold. As I say, I do just keep things simple in my off-camera planner because it's just there for me to have a place to plan without, you know, being around other people. So yeah, that's there, like in my own time and stuff. And then last but certainly not least, we have the 22nd of July, and we are going for a nice summery kit. I've kind of tried to split up the summery, non-summery kits here. And this is the May 2023 mystery called Friendication from Pink Diamond Planner Co. with art by Darcy. So yeah, she obviously doesn't do a mystery anymore, and I don't love her boxes and stuff, but I do quite like how much you get in this format, so it's kind of one of those slightly difficult things for me. I find it hard. There's your bottom washi, and I love that bottom washi. Look at that cute little pool. You get loads and loads of fashion people, and that was always the big thing they did together, Darcy and Pink Diamond Planner. They always included lots and lots of fashion people. You got icons, extra boxes, and the full extra colour page. Whether I'll use the extra colour, I probably will, because I think it goes quite well there. And then I am using the foil bundle that potentially came with it, but I'm not actually sure. But is this like star foil bundle, which kind of made me think of starfish, so that's why I'm going with it. So there's, and it's in gold hollow, I want to say. Is it gold hollow? Yeah, it's in gold hollow, so you can see that there. So that is your 6 full boxes, your bottom washi and headers, your script and icon page, your extra boxes and glitter headers, bougie. There, you've got some foiled boxes and your bougie boxes there. So yeah, nice simple Pink Diamond Planner Co with Pink Diamond Planner Co. I don't love Pink Diamond Planner Co foils, so it's quite nice to use it in the off-camera planner. So yeah, and that is all of my July kits. So just to summarise, we have for the week of the 1st of July, we have Create from Plannerface. For the week of the 8th of July, we have Born to Skate, also from Plannerface. For the week of the 15th of July, we have Cyber Monday Mystery Love Yourself from Crest Press. And for the week of the 22nd, we have Sea View from Plannerface. Then in the off-camera planner, for the week of the 1st, we have Flower Power. For the week of the 8th, sorry, Flower Power from Crest Press. From the week of the 8th, we have April 2022 Mystery from Scribble Prints Co. For the week of the 15th, we have November Mystery, Hot Mess PMS from Crest Press. And on the 22nd, we have May Mystery 2023 Friendication from Pink Diamond Planner Co. And that is it for my July kit lineup. Let me know what foil pairing you're most excited for. I'm definitely most excited for the Born to Skate. And this month we are using 3 Plannerface, 3 Crest Press, 1 SPC and 1 Pink Diamond Planner Co. Let me know in the comments down below what you think, what you're using for July. I know this is a bit later than most people's July kit lineup, but I have just been spending time catching up and things. Thank you for watching. Comment, like down below, all that kind of jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!